So the new Toyota Crown has a little bit of a different situation going on with the spare tire. They've changed so that it no longer has lug nuts, it has lug bolts. The Crown, the bZ4X, and the Supra have these, and there's a possibility we could have this on other cars. So I want to show you some things to help you if you ever need to change the spare tire. And the first thing that you're going to notice is when you go into the trunk of this thing, you've got a couple of extra pieces. You've got these two, and I'm going to show you what those are for. And I have our shop foreman, Mike Maniscalco, helping me out here. And so we're going to show you exactly how that's going to look. So I've got this up on the lift, and we have pulled out 4 of the 5 lug screws. And at this point now, we're going to use this, what did you call this, Mike?
This is an alignment pin.
An alignment pin. So screw that into that hole right there. Then you can pull out your last. All right, so that's going to keep the tire from just falling off. So now you can go ahead and pull the tire off. That alignment pin stays there, and that allows you to get your spare tire up and on it and affixed correctly. Then you can start putting the rest of the lug screws back in. And actually, we can even use this little tool, which I think the way that works, the screw goes in through it. Nope, maybe not. Okay, well, so maybe we're not going to use that silly little thing. Anyway, so then you just hand tighten down, pull out your alignment pin, and then you can put in your 5th bolt right there. Then you're going to go through and just tighten them up with your lug wrench on the side of the road. We'll not go ahead and finish that up, but I just wanted you to see that this works very, very different than you might be expecting with lugs coming out of it and then just putting on the lug nut. Your best option is still to hit the little SOS button, because your new Crown does come with 10 years of roadside assistance. As long as you agreed to the data consents and you signed up on your Toyota app, you don't have to do all of this. But if you do need to do it on the side of the road, this is how you're going to do it with the Crown, the bZ4X, the Supra, and anything else that comes in the future. Mike, do you have anything else you want to add for me here?
Always refer to your owner's manual for additional instructions.
Perfect. All right. I'm Steve Clifford. Thanks for watching. So after we stopped filming, I did figure out what this is supposed to be used for, but Mike is good enough. He really didn't need it, but it is just used. You just kind of slip it over that, and that is for the hand tightening of each of the lug nuts as they go on. Mike didn't really use it, but that is what that little piece is for. So the little clip ends just go over that, and then you use the knurled part here just to hand tighten it before you get to the lug wrench. Thought I'd add that on the end so you know what that part is for.